Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get trending Shopify theme store. So you can see I already logged in, so what you need to do, you need to click here online store, and then you need to click here view your store, or you can scroll down, then you'll see the option view theme store. So once you click, then you'll get all the theme here. So now what you need to do, you can choose manually here, like if you want a sticky header, you can go ahead with that. And if you want to check the trending, then you can click here the arrow and trending this week. So you can see those websites like free and paid are trending now, so you can choose, or you can choose the custom one. So this way you can find the trending theme store on your Shopify. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.